Be patient, folks. AKTX is probably the strongest name that I'm looking at right now. The reverse split ICO1 might be waking up here. But majority of the names that are on our watch list were risk off early. Mike Lima November Tango is starting to wake up. MLNT, we've had history with this name. Kilo Tango Oscar Victor, KTOV also. MLNT and KTOV are starting some strength here. KTOV is starting to wake up, ladies and gentlemen. Kilo Tango Oscar Victor. Really strong volume. KTOV potential buy entry at 168 or lower. Stop at 138. All right, I am in 138. All right, I am in on KTOV, guys and gals. I am now looking at ATOS, Oscar Tango, Alpha Tango Oscar Sierra, ATOS.